On a cloudy day like today, when it's cold outside, I got the month of May. I get you say what can make me feel that way. My, yeah, I'm talking about my girl. The breeze and me, she's on baby, and the birds in the tree, anticipation, running away with me, yeah, and it would shift my imagination, running away with me. You say what can make me feel that way? My, yeah, I'm talking about my girl. Cruising on a sunny afternoon. Cruising, I couldn't get away too soon. And it was just my imagination running away with me, yeah. And it was just my imagination running away with me. You say what you make me feel that way, my girl. Talking about my girl. Good.